They are shooting at us. Yes. Everybody give us no problem. Throw it back. Hey, sorry. They are shooting at us. Peaceful protest.
Yes, as is a hopeless situation. Is it a lie?
In what's trending in the United States, where hundreds of thousands of protesters gathered in cities across the country over the weekend to denounce President Donald Trump and billionaire Elon Musk in what has been
Donald Trump has got to go. Hey, ho, Donald Trump has got to go.
The people of America were given the freedom to protest. Nobody molested them. Well, I have not seen any report that any of the over 1 million people protesting were dispersed with tear gas or that the police brutalized them. You know, so again, there is a justification for the fact that America is still a land of the free, where the people can express themselves. I hope we have such a situation someday like that in Nigeria, where the people can speak their mind.
here in Nigeria. The Nigerian police.
And the Nigerian police is shooting at us. They are shooting at us. Yes. Everybody give us no problem.
Sort of, like Dr. Batia said, is there a time that will come in Nigeria where we're allowed to go out and protest in peace?
Anytime you come out of protest is repression. They infiltrate the protest and they say you caused the problem. They beat people up, they kill people during the protest. And that's not what should be the case. It speaks volumes. Please, the police force should not come and tell us stories and rhetorics. What you are supposed to do is to provide security for protesters. It is a fundamental human right, a right to be able to express yourself. And you don't even need to get a police permit. That was settled in the Supreme Court ruling. You remember what happened? Oji, it will last forever. We will touch the green grass of hope once again. The ray of sunlight, the golden ray of sunlight, will inundate our bodies once again and we'll all be excited. Because I have never seen an hegemon last forever. Where is Hitler today? Where is McCarthy today? Where is Genghis Khan today? We can go on and on and on. They will come and they will go because that's the way of life. So it might look very bleak and dark today, but hegemons will not last forever. Oligarchy will not last forever, even if it takes a lot of years. Where is
The greatest tenets of democracy is respect for the opposition, respect for dissenting voices. In America, people have the right and the opportunity of choosing their leaders. And their leaders make policies that will either favor the people or will not favor them. When it doesn't favor the people, they have the opportunity to express their fundamental human rights, the right to freedom of speech. As you can see in America today, they believe that Donald Trump is making laws that don't favor them. They've marched the streets of New York, of San Francisco, and other places to protest against the policies of Donald Trump. The landmark of that protest that nobody has been shot at, nobody has been killed, is called freedom of expression. Whereas in Nigeria, the elites rig election, conquer power, and make policies that don't favor the people. When people vent their frustrations through protest, is either you are imprisoned or you are killed. My greatest fear in Nigeria today is the fear that people are not allowed to speak their mind. Suppression of free speech. That is my greatest fear. Where are the likes of Wole Soyinka? Where are the likes of Tunde Bakare, Femi Fanana, the Kutis, the Adiboyes? Have they all been conquered? Oh, Nigeria is a conquered territory. I can't believe that I'm living this day to witness what is going on in Nigeria today. The people who we thought we are heroes of democracy in Nigeria, are the ones killing democracy today in Nigeria, taking us back to the dark eras of the military dictatorship? Or do you think that those eras of military dictatorship are even better than what we are witnessing in Nigeria today? Get in the comment section and let me know. See something, say something, and please do something.
The greatest fear I have is being found in prison for nothing. And you can be found in prison for doing so as is hopeless solution. Is it a lie?
Thanks for being with us in the arena. Like the famous American writer will always say, be well, do good work, and please do keep in touch. It's Chris Diggers in Open Whispers. Thank you, and God bless.